Good morning everyone. Ito yung mga tira-tirang mga gulay na pinaghiwaan namin sa kusina. Ngayon ilalagay ko ulit sa pataba dito sa kamuti at tinatanim namin. Diyan ko sa ibuho sa ilalim. Dito para yan para dagdag pang pataba. Yan. Okay. Yan na. Yan na yun. Yan. Ito yung kamote ko. Sibuyas. Yan, marami na rin. Ito. Wala kaming problema sa sibuyas kasi marami kaming tanim na sibuyas. Yan. Ito talbos ng kamote. Ito yung red green pepper bell. Yan, kamatis. Yan. Tapos mayroon pa ako dito, yung iba. Ito yung aming gabi. Yan, gabi, sili. Yan, ito avocado, malaki na. Yan, yung gabi namin malaki na. Yan, tanglad, lemongrass. Yan. And then this one, strawberry. And then chili, lemongrass, taro. This one for cooking vegetable. And then some tomato. Yan. Tomato yan. And then mayroon pa ako ditong kunting kunting tomato. Dito yan, dalawang puno pero namulaklak pa lang. Ito yung bulaklak nyo. It's the best yan, the best bulaklak. See? And then you see my ampalaya. Yan, berry grow. And then eggplant. Yan. This one is front my house. Yan, berry growing. That's my house. Yeah. And then I have some tomato. Take some tomato over here. One, two, tomato, 1 and 2 and 2. See, tomato. Here a lot of tomato. Here a lot of tomato. Take my bottle. Put the tomato here. Now picking some tomato here. Tomato small. This one. Tomato. This one. A lot of tomato here. Harvesting tomato. One. Harvesting tomato. And then this one. Yan. Tomato. Yan. Put on the table. Oh, nice. Look at my chili. Growing chili. Nice chili. Yeah. And then 2 strawberry. Yan, harvesting strawberry. Yan. Strawberry. Harvesting strawberry. Yes. How many strawberries? See? Over here. Putting on here. What my taro? Green pepper bell. It's big. And one more here. It's big. Uy, tunog na. Big. See. See. And then, to grow. And then taro, too much taro, a lot of taro. Ayan. Taro. Chili. Taking some of tomato. Yeah. And then I have growing some vegetable. Lettuce, yes, some lettuce. Wala kaming gutom kasi mayroon kaming mga tanim. Avocado, ito, lettuce, some lettuce. Tapos kamuti. Nice. Behind my house, a little bit have garden, vegetable. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching New Zealand and Philippines.